What's up guys, my name is Robin Campbell. I'm the founder of the DanceDojo.com, where we help you become a better social dancer. If you're just tuning in, this is our Finding the Beat course, and it is progressive. So if you want to understand what's going on in this video, you need to watch the previous videos. All the links are in the video description below, so check those out first, and let's get started. What's up guys, it's Robin here from the DanceDojo.com. And we're going to go through another song example to help you find the one in salsa music. So right now we're going to use the song Hermano by El Timba, and I want you this time to see if you can count right from the beginning of the song, and I want you to verify if you're on the one by hearing the different phrase points. So for example, when the introduction starts, you're going to hear the piano, and the piano is phrasing perfectly in every 8 counts. And then you're going to hear the singer come in, and the singer is also coming in on the one. It's coming in at a new phrase point. And the singer is perfectly timed with the piano, and so you know exactly where the one is. And again, when the singer drops out, you're going to hear a more percussive section, and the singer is going to come back, and the singer comes back in on the one again. So I want you to count right from the beginning of the song and see if you're hitting number 1 on all those different phrase points, okay? So as soon as I press play, I want you to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in your head, and keep counting and see if you hit the 1 on all those different phrase points. And don't sit down, stand up, step, march, clap, tap, whatever you need to do. Don't be silent, count out loud, move your body, okay? It's really going to help you throughout this process, throughout this journey of finding the beat and learning how you like to move to music. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Baila, mi hermano, que aquí te traigo mi tumbao africano. Baila, mi hermano, que aquí te traigo mi tumbao africano. Baila, mi hermano, que aquí te traigo mi tumbao africano. Baila, mi hermano, que aquí te traigo mi tumbao africano. Oh. Baila, mi hermano, que aquí te traigo mi tumbao africano. Baila, mi hermano, que aquí te...
So the nice part of this song is that the piano phrases perfectly in 8 counts, and it goes through the whole entire song, so it's really easy to catch the one through the whole song. So now I'm going to listen to it again with you, and I'm going to help you mark the one with my hand. So I'm going to count out the 8 counts as we go, just hitting the one like this, okay? So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Baila, mi hermano, que aquí te traigo mi tumbao africano. Baila, mi hermano, que aquí te traigo mi tumbao africano. Baila, mi hermano, que aquí te traigo mi tumbao africano. Baila, mi hermano, que aquí te traigo mi tumbao africano. Oh. Baila, mi hermano, que aquí te traigo mi tumbao africano. Baila, mi hermano.
So as you can see, the best way to find the one in this song is listening to the piano and listening to the vocals of the lead singer, because they really, really clearly mark the one. And fortunately, it's very similar throughout the whole song. And actually, this is a Timba song. It's like a Cuban salsa song. So if you look up Timba music, T-I-M-B-A, it's great music because it phrases really nicely in 8s, and I find it as a beginner, it was easier to hear the one and find the beat in that music. Just the way that it's structured, the way the instruments are, it's easier than some of the more complex or big band salsa music. from the 50s and that era around the 50s, 60s, 70s, etc. So Timba music is a great place to start for finding the one and tuning your ear to salsa music. All right, hope you enjoyed that example. I really hope you're improving and these videos are helping you get a better ear, a better sense of the music. Even after you listen to this, turn on these songs by yourself without me counting, without me helping, and see if you can hear those looping phrases in the music, the different instruments, the different phrase points when the music changes from one pattern to another pattern, because that usually marks the one. Yeah, and so good luck. I know it's hard work, so keep it up, but it's eventually going to come through for you. Anybody can learn to do this, it just takes time. And remember, don't compare yourself to other people, because you never know what experience someone has in their life. They might be more coordinated than you. They might have had other music or dance experience in the past, so don't worry about anyone else, just focus on you. You can do it. I believe in you. All right, until next time, Robin Campbell, thedancedojo.com. If you love this series, check out our website, thedancedojo.com. We have a full online paid program to help you learn how to salsa dance. And I personally think it's some of the best teaching in the world, so I really encourage you to go check it out. It's helped a lot of people, and I'm really proud of what we created. So until next time, we'll come with another example soon. Okay, peace.